What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another review. Today is Tuesday, June 27, 2003. And today I lost about $28 for the day. I took one trade on Tesla puts. So let's get right into it. Um, if we look at the daily here for Tesla, it's obviously had a massive rally on up, all the way up to 277 from all the way from 101. Then it made a new bottom at 150 and rallied on up to 277, 278. And as recently, it's been selling off um, from 277 all the way down to this 240 level, broke 250 psychological level. And now there's a gap fill from 240, 241 all the way down to 235. And we look at the previous day's candle here, it had a very strong bearish move with a lot of volume. So going into today, I'm thinking, okay, continue to go down furthermore and fill this gap. So let's get right into the actual trades themselves. So the first trade today, um, so first off, the pre-market levels I have here at 245.95 and around 239.08. Um, the gap between 245, 235, excuse me, 240.75 and 235.36. And so my original pre-market game plan, if you can see over here, was either to wait for it to reach 250 and see a reject, and then I'll play puts. If not, wait for the gap fill to break through the gap fill, and I'll play that. It had a strong daily downward momentum. Like I said, previous day close, so it was pretty strong. As a recent news regarding Tesla, it had a lot of downgrades from like Morgan Stanley and like other shops. Broke below 250 psychological level. And then specifically today, the reason why I took this entry at 10:30, it broke above pre-market high, it rallied on up from market open. Well, first it was struggling, going sideways, rallied on up a bit, broke above briefly, sold off, and it was making its way back up to pre-market high level, but it was struggling. And so, given the reasons I listed here, and pretty much on a downward momentum, and it was struggling to break pre-market high, I'm thinking, okay, it might continue to sell off. So I took an entry here at 10:30. I wasn't really feeling comfortable. It was really choppy. So I sold, cut my losses real quick. But obviously, as you can see, if I had waited a little bit longer, I would have definitely profited. Um, and I really wanted to capture this gap fill. So I was hoping that it will continue its downward momentum and just really sell off. But didn't happen, at least not so far. So I lost about $14 on this trade. Had a stop loss at $70 or 70 cents per contract. Profit target of $1.10 per contract. So I plan to make three R, but lost a little bit more than 1 R. So not too bad from a risk reward ratio. But I am happy that I just cut my losses. So next trade, it's really the same idea. I re-entered pretty quickly right after. First trade, excuse me, I bought at 10:30 and sold at 10:34. Is this the same trade? Excuse me. Pretty much the same trade. I 0.75. Okay, yeah, I think this is the second trade. Um, yeah, I jumped in pretty much right after. Kind of just had a little bit of FOMO, I guess. I thought maybe it would break below. It was really choppy. It pretty much fake me out left and right. But at least I cut my losses pretty quickly. Yet again, I lost the same exact amount. Go figure. Um, but yeah, had I been a little bit more patient and just waited for it to reach back up to the pre-market high, would have been a much better entry as well. And then I would have captured this nice little scalp here, at least up until this candle. But but yeah, that's it for me today. I think Jerome Powell is speaking tomorrow, so that's something to watch out for. So yeah, lost about $28 for the day. Took two trades, two losing trades on Tesla. Um, all in all, not the best, but cut my losses pretty quickly, so I'm happy about that. Live to fight another day, like I always say. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.